Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. New Hampshire health officials warn of possible COVID-19 exposure at 5 restaurants. Patrons of certain restaurants in Portsmouth, Concord, Peterborough urged to watch for symptoms. New Hampshire health officials are alerting patrons of 5 Granite State restaurants that they might have been exposed to COVID-19. In all cases, people who were potentially infectious with the coronavirus visited the restaurant earlier this month. Health officials said, although contact tracing investigations have been done and known close contacts have been contacted, health officials said a border alert was issued because there might have been other people at the restaurants at the time of possible exposure. Officials said at least 4 people who tested positive for COVID-19 visited Daniel Street Tavern at 111 Daniel Street in Portsmouth, while potentially infectious. Officials said the possible potential community exposure occurred in the bar area on the evenings of Friday, October 9th, Wednesday, October 14th, and Thursday, October 15th. At least one person who tested positive for COVID-19 visited the Goat and Grill at 142 Congress Street in Portsmouth, while potentially infectious. Officials said the possible exposure happened between 8 and 10 p.m. on Thursday, October 15th. At least 5 people who tested positive visited the Draft Sports Bar and Grill at 67 South Main Street in Concord, while potentially infectious. The possible exposures happened on Friday, October 9th, Sunday, October 11th, and Wednesday, October 14th through Sunday, October 18th. Health officials said the investigation at the Draft is active, and anyone who visited the restaurant since October 9th should watch for symptoms and seek testing if they develop. At least 2 people who tested positive visited the Barley House restaurant and tavern at 132 South Main Street in Concord, while potentially infectious, officials said. The possible community exposure happened in the bar area on Monday, October 12th, Tuesday, October 13th, Wednesday, October 14th, and Friday, October 16th. Officials said the investigation in this case is also active, and anyone who visited the Barley House since October 12th should watch for symptoms. At least one person who tested positive visited Bantam Grill at 1 Jaffrey Road in Peterborough, while potentially infectious. Health officials said possible community exposure occurred in the bar area during the afternoon and evening on Tuesday, October 13th. Health officials said anyone who develops symptoms of COVID-19 should stay home and contact a health provider to get tested. Anyone without health insurance or a primary care provider can get tested by calling 603-271-5980 or by completing an online form. And we will share the link with you so you can see that online form. Thank you for watching this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Have a great evening. See you back here tomorrow with more news reports. Good night and goodbye, everyone.